When the crowd heard this, they were cut to the heart. They asked, "What shall we do?" And Peter tells them, "Repent, be baptized." And then 3,000 of them did it. Now think about the logistics. How do you care for 3,000 new souls? You can't do it from a stage. You have to decentralize, which brings us to day 2 of the new church. This is the new church plan, day 2 in verse 42, that says, "They devoted themselves to the apostles' teaching and to fellowship, to the breaking of bread and to prayer," which means they moved from the temple courts, the rows, to their homes, the circles. They realized that while rows are for revelation, where they would hear the word, the circles are for transformation, where we live out the word. They didn't just hear it, they discussed it. They would get together and start talking through, how does love your enemy actually work with my difficult boss on Monday morning? I mean, we could say it, sure, no problem. Love your enemies, no problem. But in the small group setting around the table, we talk it through. Okay, what does that actually mean? How do I do this? This is why we push so hard that everyone be in a small group at our church. We're going to go through the Rooted series, or you can go through Re-engage together, or you can go through the Financial Freedom series. There's so many ways to get around a small group, to talk through it, to put application to it, even wrestle when you're challenged by the word. This is fellowship, koinonia. In Greek, this means sharing a common life. It's not small talk about the weather, it's big talk about the soul. And it says the breaking of bread. This is probably one of the most underrated spiritual disciplines. Breaking of bread together. Imagine a hospital. The temple would be the lobby. It's where you enter. But the small group, that's the operation room. That is where the healing happens. You don't get surgery in the lobby. You get surgery in the room with a few people that know exactly where you're hurting.